Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad 2 and let me share with you how to activate the automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings and in this left section scroll down to the very bottom to find about device. Now we have to scroll down to find the version and keep tapping on the version number to activate developer options. If you want to learn more about the developer options, simply check our tutorial. So now we can go to the system and update and tap on developer options. And all we have to do is to find this option, automatic system updates. Just tap on the switcher and from now on your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not have to manually update your device, but remember about restarting it from time to time so it will have a chance to download the updates. You can also, of course, turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.